Ta-da! This is the healthiest, tastiest, yummiest, most delicious zucchini bread ever. And I've even had a little chocolatey zero sugar twist that I'm gonna show you in this recipe right now. Huh? You guys, go time we got win! So let's get straight into it. First things first is, you grab a zucchini and we are just gonna shred up some zucchini just like that. Now we wanna shred up 2 cups of zucchini. So that's gonna be about 1 medium-sized zucchini. Plop it down on a plate or a bowl and you are gonna get some paper towel. Now we're not just gonna only pat this down, we're actually gonna wrap it in paper towel and we're gonna squeeze out the moisture. Now the zucchini is what keeps this bread nice and moist. However, we wanna make sure it rises like normal bread, so we need to get a lot of that liquid out of that zucchini there, and that is dried up zucchini ready to go. And then we just set this dried zucchini aside. Now, while the zucchini's aside, we're gonna prep everything else. In the meantime, we also wanna set the oven to 350 degrees and grab a big bowl. Woo! All right, now onto the fun stuff. Get a nice big bowl, 4 tablespoons of melted butter into that bowl. Smells good, I love butter. Something about butter gets me excited. Half a cup of a mashed banana. So we're just gonna mash this up. Make sure it's ripe. This is gonna be the perfect amount right there. We're just gonna mash it up. Really mash it in there. Don't be shy. Then we're gonna get half a cup of honey. And this honey, again, adds a little bit of sweetness that you and your kids are gonna love. This is natural sugars, so it's much better than some of the refined stuff out there. We're going half a cup. This also adds to that moisture because we want this bread nice and moist. That's key to any good bread. If it's not moist, it's not really worth eating, is it? Woo! Next up is almond milk. We're going a quarter cup. Got a little excited there. Quarter cup of almond milk into this bowl, again from a distance. And I love the flavor that this almond milk brings to this lean party here. You can try any milk, but for me, it's always almond milk, 100% of the time. And then up next is just 2 eggs, beepity bop, 2, crack them, try and keep them all in the bowl. 1, 2, hold on a second. Before we go any further, I just remembered, that if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to this channel and please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. That would be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to help you guys live a healthier, happier life with lean recipes, lean tips, and I never want you to miss the leanness. So make sure you do that. And now we're back to our scheduled lean announcement with this recipe. Just 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And you're gonna start to see these flavors really pop, really get those taste buds tingling. But for now, we're whisking the big bowl. Whisk away, get that mix going. Remember, the faster you whisk, the more you burn. You're gonna earn a little more of this tasty zucchini bread. Now that we have whisked our mix, we are gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And after we've done that, we're gonna whisk once more, soaking in all these flavors, burning a little more, getting that metabolism fired up. Up next is 1 3/4 cups whole wheat flour. Woo! Look at that. You guessed it. Lean mix one more time. All right, squaddies, this is where it gets exciting. You can see I've switched to a spatula here, so we're just folding. Now, I promised you a chocolatey lean treat, didn't I? So what we're gonna do is do the 2 cups of zucchini noodles into this mix. We're gonna fold it in as well as a sprinkle of, ta-da! Zero sugar chocolate chips. Look at these. These are incredible. They taste so good, and they're just gonna give that perfect chocolatey taste to this bread that you, your kids, and anyone else who comes in contact with are going to love. And remember, these are zero sugar. It's just a great, healthy alternative to lower our overall sugar intake. And last but not least, lightly oil up a bread tray there, as well as with some whole wheat flour there. Just line that tray, mix it all about, just so this bread doesn't stick to the pan. And then our lean mix pops on in, and we're throwing this in the oven for 55 minutes. And voila! You are going to be well on your way to the leanest, tastiest zucchini bread ever. There we go. Lean zucchini bread with some chocolatey twisting is ready to go. Right there, look at that. How good does that look? It tastes even better, I promise, when it is all said and done in 55 minutes. This is gonna be going in my belly. And hopefully it's going in yours. Actually, I know it's gonna be going in yours because you're gonna see it and you're gonna love it and you're gonna wanna make it, which brings me to my next point. Tag me if you make this recipe at LEANSQUAD on Instagram. I love sharing the leanness. Whenever you make healthy foods and you post about it, you are inspiring someone within your inner circle to do the same, following your footsteps. And like I always say, my goal is to help as many people get leaner, healthier, more confident as possible. Thousands and thousands of people all over the world, and we can do it together. In we go! It's the moment we've all been waiting for, the reveal of the leanness. Wow, look at that. Oh, actually, you know what? Come here, there we go. Look at the leanness there, take a good look. Squatties, all that's left to do, plate it, slice it, put it in the belly, and right there you are going to be eating a much healthier alternative to your traditional bread. And that is because, well, we've added zucchini, which is rich in nutrients, which is filled with antioxidants, which is overall good for our health. And likewise, for the little ones, our kids, this is a great way to introduce healthier foods into their diet. And like I said, we added some sugarless chocolate chips. How can you complain about that? So, with that in mind, squatties, I'm gonna enjoy my bread. I will see you back here next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wanna hear from you guys. Like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Tag me when you make this. And last but not least, if you need help on your fat and weight loss journey, I am the one to help you. I want to help you help thousands of squatties all over the world transform their lives. And you could be next by eating healthy, tasty, enjoyable foods and short bouts of exercise that are tailored to you and your fitness level. With that in mind, squatties, I will see you back here next episode.